I saw this adorable sign at Hobby Lobby and wanted to make one similar from just Dollar Tree items. So I grabbed a peel and stick tile, this game board, their mini wooden Jenga set, and these brushes from the dollar store. What was not from the dollar store is this Gorilla Glue and this Waverly Walmart paint that also comes in this mini size if you'd like. So the front side of the game board has these wooden grooves, so I flipped it over and used the flat back side to stick the adhesive tile onto. Now that that's done, it's time to add the wooden pieces. So I am going to end up using 2 boxes of the Jenga set because I want to create a flat border but also another border with them laying upright. So I start by simply placing the pieces where I would want them. And then gluing them into place with the Gorilla Glue, but you're welcome to choose any type of glue that you'd like. Once you let the glue dry for about 20 or 30 minutes, it should look like this. And now we're ready to paint the frame with the chalk paint. And here she is, all finished. It cost me about $5 to make, and I think it looks pretty similar to the original one.